Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Porsche Cayenne 2015. This is a beautiful car. If we talk about 10 years ago or 8 years ago from today, how the design, interior, and the functionality with all the buttons, comparing with the new technology that is for today, past, present, and the future. Okay, in this car here, what happened is, I'm gonna use my hotel 608 to see how, but I'm gonna put the car in the lift, on the drive. This is reverse. I'm gonna put in drive. Let me see in reverse first. Is the car gonna move? Yeah, it's moving on reverse. And reverse is move. I put in drive. The car is drive now. Wow. You see the car drive, but they say that maybe sometime we have to push it last time, or maybe when it's hot doesn't want to work. But I remember last time we have to push it. So let me try, before touching anything, try to diagnose this car to see what is in there. Okay, cancel this. Let me put in park. Okay, cancel. Let me go back. Escape. Escape. Okay. This have a lot of function. Maybe by the time we explain it, it's gonna take a long time. So what I need to do here is I gotta go to Maxim, at least to see how this can work with us. And from here, I will go to diagnose. And from the diagnose, I will go to VIN, auto detect. Let's see what's gonna happen. Give me the VIN number. Porsche Cayenne. For Porsche Cayenne information, what it is, how does it work, when is, what manufacturer is, I will put some description bottom. 92A Cayenne 2011 to 2017, they are the same. This is 2016. Okay, what do you need to do? I go to diagnose. Do you want to, let me do the whole control unit, because I don't know how long, how much, how, no, let me go to auto scan. I want to scan the whole car. Engine computer, 2%. This is gonna take time, are you sure? Diagnose the whole car. I'm gonna skip this. I wanna go back only to my car. Okay, I'm gonna go to control unit. In control, I wanna go to engine. They call it DME also. The car is running. I wanna see if there is any code in the engine, any code in the transmission. Okay, trouble code. No code in the engine. Wow, it's good. Now I gotta go back to the transmission to see if there's anything there. If there is no code in the transmission, slippery or anything, yes, passive sporadic, signal line for Tiptronic electrical fault, control unit fault, no communication with the gateway control unit. Wow. Signal line for Tiptronic electrical fault, control unit fault, P0700, no communication with the gateway control unit. So the gateway control unit, but P0700, P18900, signal line for Tiptronic electrical fault. So there is no communication with the engine, with the transmission control module for the computer itself. Maybe sometimes the computer that inside the Tiptronic, sometimes it go bad, it go good, and sometimes it's okay. I can see live data, temperature. Okay, transmission temperature, go back. I don't want to do anything more than that because it trouble codes. Let's stop this one. Now we're gonna erase the code. No codes. Trouble code now, nothing. So let me see now. Take the key out, put it in. I stopped it. Let me see now if the car gonna move. Car move fine, back. Beautiful. Go back. Okay. We have a signal of like the module itself. It gets some glitch. The gateway module. It may be there is a problem with the transmission itself. We clear all the codes, how long it happened, and then we can take it from there. We cannot go directly and say, okay, this thing is bad, we have to fix it, or we have to change the transmission. But thank you for watching. We are going to drive this car a little bit and see if anything gonna come back or giving us a trouble, and then we can take it from there. Seriously, this is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. Thank you. If you have any idea or any suggestion, please let us know. And this is your channel. Thank you for supporting and watching the video.